Welcome to our video on cultivating health, the role of community gardens and urban farming in promoting healthy eating. In this video, we'll explore how these green spaces are transforming urban landscapes and improving access to fresh, nutritious food. In many urban areas, access to healthy food is limited, leading to poor dietary choices and health disparities. Community gardens have sprouted up as a solution, providing local, sustainable sources of fresh produce. Community gardens offer numerous benefits, from improved nutrition to stronger social connections. They serve as outdoor classrooms, teaching gardening skills and the importance of healthy eating. Urban farming initiatives take it a step further, scaling up production and making urban areas more self-sufficient. These initiatives help transform food deserts into lush oases of fresh, locally grown produce. Urban farming also promotes sustainable agriculture and reduces the carbon footprint of food transportation. Community gardens and urban farms foster social cohesion, bringing people together to celebrate food. With easier access to fresh ingredients, communities are adopting healthier eating habits. In conclusion, community gardens and urban farming are sowing the seeds of healthier eating, stronger communities, and a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching.